is not very cutie, it's not very demure, but I don't care. Oh, my eyes are so itchy. Choma, I look crazy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Mara here, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to watch another vlog. Please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up right now before you forget. Okay, check and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Please hit the subscribe button. I'm sure that you're going to find my content useful. If this is your first time dropping by, this is my attempt to start a new vlog. I know I look crazy right now. I have shades and I have my reading glasses. I got a compliment from my director and she was like, oh my goodness, you always wear the cutest like glasses. Where do you get your glasses from? And I told her, oh, Nigeria. And she was like, oh my goodness, you wear the most pretty glasses that I've ever seen. This is the one that I've been wearing like recently. I'm just coming back from work actually, and this is what I'm gonna have. Half glass of milk, 2 slices of bread. This is not very cutie, it's not very demure, but I don't care because I'm hungry. And I have avocado. I've already had half of it. I feel like a lot of people now watch me from Canada, so I have to be plugging you guys to some cool stuff. So this bread that I'm having, I'll show you guys the bread. Although it's a bit expensive, but you can find it in Superstore. You can just take a screenshot. I think I bought it for almost $6 with tax. Like, but you guys, it's very sweet. Like, it just tastes like Nigerian bread, but all the expensive, all the honor. I don't think I will be buying it that much. But alternatively, there's this one that you can also get. This, but the downside of this one is that each time I go to buy it, I don't see it. So apparently a lot of people know about it, I guess, and each time I go there to buy it, it's always finished. And you have to be careful because they have a lot different types of it. Let me see if I can identify the name. I don't know, but just take a screenshot of this one. You know, it all looks like they have different variants of this bread, and they all look the same. What do I want to say now? Odigo ewu. I'm trying to remember what I wanted to say to you guys, but you guys, can you believe this is a week? I've filmed a video with this week, or when I installed this week on my channel. I'll link it here so you guys can see. But like, this week is so cute. I've been wearing it all the week. So I got plants from work. I was at work and I was going for my coffee break, and then one of my colleagues, she was coming up, like she saw me at the elevator and she was like, oh, go grab yourself some plants. You know, these Oyibo people, they're really obsessed with this kind of things. I'm like, okay. And then for my break was almost finishing, so I couldn't grab it and go back to work. I just grabbed my coffee and went back to work. It was gonna end 12:15 and my lunch literally starts at 12, so I was like, yeah, I would go and get it during my lunch. So I went and then I grabbed it. Let me even see the name, but it was from the city of Regina. They were just giving plants and stuff like that. They had other variants of plants, but I didn't go early, so this was the only one we met, and one that was almost dying. But my colleagues got like really cute one. I'm going to put it on the screen because I went to her desk and I saw it. I'm like, oh, this is so cute, I wish I got it. She got the crystal blue sprouts. That's by the way. So guys, I have to take my vitamin D. See, my alarm is reminding me. Can you see? So, and I've been taking it since 7th of July. After today, I would have one left. We are going off now to go and pick up a delivery. It's actually from a brand, and when I come back, we're just going to unbox it. So hot, Jesus, like you can even see like I'm sweating. Okay, I'm not really sweating, but I feel like the weather is making my skin look oily. Let's go. I don't have a car tripod for my camera. I got one, I couldn't even return it. It's just they wasting my money. Should I get one? Let's go. Unboxing is one thing that I definitely do enjoy doing, and not even when it's a handbag. You guys already know I love my handbags and I can literally be obsessed with them. This handbag has to be one of the prettiest I've ever seen. The quality, the feel, the colors, the combination of the colors is just beautiful. The link and other amazing details for High Foods would be in my description box if you're looking to shop quality dupe and replica products.
Your wife, business, and she's freaking problem. What is it?
Good morning, guys. I just finished making breakfast. I've done a couple of things this morning since I woke up, but I'm currently having breakfast. You guys already saw me make this breakfast. This is avocado toast with sunside egg. You guys, I don't know how people eat sunside egg that is not done. I'm just trying to get into my day. I'm a bit sick. I feel a bit sick, although I'm feeling better today than I felt yesterday, and I slept very late because I was editing. I can't, like, the account is not connected, so if I'm editing on my phone, I can't find the files on either of my computers, like my iMac or my laptop. So I edit with my laptop for the most part. So I just started editing with my laptop. I can't believe this whole time I've been editing with my phone, you guys. So my phone, I'm already having storage issues. If you guys like this video, like my vlogs, honestly, I'm begging because a lot of work is a lot of work. I was up to almost 2 a.m. editing. I watered the plant this morning, not me going to Google and browse how to take care of plants. Does that make me a plant mom now? Because I don't know. You guys remember this stuff I got that I was unboxing? I said it's really small. I didn't return it. I kept it. Kind of also helped me drink in portion control, because I use it for the most part for just my milk anyway. And this morning I'm very slow. Like, it's a slow morning for me. I'm going to go ahead and take my supplement, and the major supplement that I take, I've already told you guys a lot, is collagen, that I use for the most part this brand. And I take iron as well. Oh, not iron, please, zinc, and any other multivitamin for ladies. So but I've run out of my multivitamin. I just don't remember to restock it. I have to put that down on my diary. And I also quickly wanted to say that this diary has really been helping me plan my life. I have literally everything I have to do here, both planning my content, both planning everything, planning my week. I only like to take my supplements when I eat immediately with food. Yeah, my convocation is coming up in 20 days from today, and that is so close. And I received my convocation outfit yesterday. I'm super happy my wig and my outfit is here. You guys need to see it. Gosh, I wore that outfit yesterday. I'm like, this is the dream. This is what I wanted to look like. Yesterday I also ordered my shoes. So I ordered like 2 shoes because I wasn't sure what I wanted. When they get here, you guys will see that. But I just wanted to briefly talk to you guys. My convocation, I am super excited. I'm thinking, should I get a hairstylist? Because that hair is freaking expensive. Like, or more. I think, like, how do ladies, even that people that live in Nigeria, how are they able to afford to buy hair of like $1,700,000, $800,000? Because I mean, I'm like, if you're earning in dollars, maybe, yeah, it's not so crazy. But how do people buy that kind of hair? Like, I'm just curious. Like, everything is just looking so good, honestly, at this point. I just haven't figured out jewelry. It's like, I like to be very simple with my fashion, keep it like very minimal. That's my vibe. So I might even wear this and I'm wearing that day. I'm going out later to see a chiropractor. So most people find my page because they are moving here, and I also want to be able to give you guys information, especially those that are just coming here for like new, and people that have been here for a while. I want to plug you guys on some things that I buy here that I really enjoy. Let's start with this groundnut. Take a screenshot, you guys. This groundnut will make you never to miss Nigerian groundnut. Everybody I've introduced this groundnut to in Nigeria, like Nigerians here or blacks here, they're always thanking me, because it's not like you don't see these things, but you might see it and pass and be like, you might feel like it won't be good, but this is me telling you, buy this groundnut. They have the smaller one if you want to try it. This is from Dorama, $3.50. That's what it's sold for. Second thing is this milk. If you like our Nigerian pig milk, no, whenever I see these goats, I just start laughing because it looks so funny. So yeah, this particular milk, you guys, is from No Name, okay, and I think it sells for $1.50 or so. I don't know, but it is very good. It's almost like our Nigerian pig milk. They have the skimmed version and they have the normal one. This is just a normal evaporated milk, and these are my new finds as well. I found this one my last grocery shopping in Superstore, and I finished it. This is less than 5 days. I'm so embarrassed. My favorite nuts are cashew nut, pistachios. Pistachios is the latest addition when I came to Canada. Cashew nut and groundnut, then pistachios when I came to Canada. And the last thing here is my pistachios. I've already shown you guys these pistachios sometime. I love it. It's like, it retails for about $10 in Superstore. Pistachios is my favorite nut ever. I know that my people in Africa might not really be familiar with this one because it's not in Africa. I don't know if it's in Africa, but I never really saw it in Nigeria. No, I like it, but it's a little bit salty. I said I'll be showing you guys from time to time the things that I take that I really like. Bye. Gosh, it's been a few hours since I spoke to you guys last. I just returned from the appointment with the chiropractor. Couldn't vlog, you guys, because like I said, I don't have a tripod to vlog with my camera, and if I vlog with my phone for YouTube, and then I would be struggling on how to get it to my laptop when I'm editing. It's always like a struggle. I'm trying to see how I can figure this whole thing out. And I got a note. He wrote me a note that I need a work tray. Very decent consultation, and then she cracked my back. I don't know how they do it. They just put you in a particular position and they move it. You just be hearing your bone. My neck won't shock me. It was like, you know when something like a tray falls on the floor and do that was how my neck was doing. Especially when she turned it this way, because I feel more tension here because I walk with my right hand, right? And she was like, oh, my posture is not so bad and everything. I'm good health-wise, but I just need to improve my workstation. And she had written me that note. I was actually going to apply for that thing at my work or ask them for it, but I just never really bothered, and I didn't think that was what was causing my issue. But now I'm going to go ahead and request that once I get back to the office on Tuesday. I think I know part of the problem. I'm hungry, so I need to go get something to eat. So I used air fryer to do suya, right? I had this beef that has been in my freezer for long, so but I don't know what I did. It's so salty. I didn't test it. Like I just blended everything with peppers. It's so salty, man. See this Maggi that I used. This Maggi from Superstore is actually very good. African store will not see me again now. So it's really nice, but I think it's too sweet, so I want to turn it into noodles. Quickly use it and make noodles right now. Okay, just one noodles, and I'll just have it and continue editing. I don't like that I'm editing with laptop. It's so stressful because I'm trying to figure out everything, where the features are, my chroma key that I use on my phone. I'm not even able to even use it. Like, it's so stressful. I hate it, but what can I do? I don't have a choice but to get the video out to you guys, and I have a brand collaboration on that video. I'm so exhausted. Let me cook my noodles, you guys. I don't know when I'll talk to you guys again. It's so windy. Yeah, but I'm not feeling so well. I have to rest for a little bit. I'll catch up with you guys when there's an update. Bye. Love you guys.